All right, here's a good question. You're asked to find the slope of the line containing those points. And initially, they don't really look like points, but what this says is the value of the function when x is 5 is equal to 4. Or in other words, a point that you could give for that is 5 and 4. And so for this next point, we could say the point is 9 and negative 2. So they want to find the slope. So those are my x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's do our formula then. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is 4 over x2 is a 9 minus x1 is a 5. Do I have those all right? y2 minus y1, yeah. x2 minus x1, yeah, good. Okay, so on the top I have minus 2 minus 4, which would be a minus 6. On the bottom I have 9 take away 5, which is 4. So when I simplify that fraction, I can divide both by 2. I'd come up with negative 3 over 2. All right, that's how you would figure out the slope if you're given those 2 points.